Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my watch list for the week. Here are a few stocks I will be paying close attention to and the trading session that will start tomorrow, December 1st, 2025. Thank you to everyone who takes out the time to like, to share, to subscribe. I greatly appreciate you for doing so. As always, please note that nothing I say is investment or trading or personal finance advice. The criteria for the watch list is quite simple. Technical reasons, highs, lows, range trading, large volumes, as well as corporate actions. Corporate actions are any announcement made by a firm. First on my watch list, Ikeja Hotels gained 45% last week. It closed at 13.25 kobo. I think there could be some form of profit taking this week. For me personally, the stock is trading a bit higher than expected. So for more context, you can refer to the Dirty December video that I did a couple of weeks ago on this stock. I mean, great stock, solid stock, but let's see if there's profit taking place this week. Haldane McCall dipped briefly to 3.93 kobo last week in intraday trading. That's very close to his listing price of 3.84 kobo. So if we have bearish momentum in the market, who knows, we may see this stock trade at its listing price. Listed last year at 3.84 kobo. I did a standalone video on this stock yesterday. So for more context about the stock, my thoughts on the stock, I'd refer you to the video as well as the Spotify episode I did on Spotify, standalone on Spotify on this stock. Haldane McCall, by the way, is a company that operates in the real estate space. Cutix dropped its H1 2026 numbers after trading hours on Friday. Rather weak numbers. Profit after tax fell 75% to 126 million. This year has been a tough year for this firm. You have a spike in finance costs, and I think on a somewhat, like a less material basis, some other income that occurred last year didn't occur this year. So you have to take those two factors into consideration when you're looking at Cutix. But I'll be doing an audio episode on this stock sometime tomorrow, breaking down the margins and everything. I think I did a couple of months ago. I also did an episode on Cutix PLC, so you can also refer to that episode. But I expect the bears to take charge in this stock sometime tomorrow. Unicell, I think some profit taking will continue this week. Stock dipped slightly last week. So last week Friday, I believe. So you may see this stock dip more. I mean, it's rallied sharply in the last couple of weeks. It's only natural you're going to see some form of profit taking occur. NCR Nigeria closed last week at the 52-week high of 54.65. I think at some point in time, a profit taking could occur at any time from now with this stock. It's not a liquid stock. I think that's one of the factors that may be keeping it where it is for now. But with time, people have done what, over 100% on this stock. It's only natural that you want to take some profit at some point in time. UACN Nigeria technical analysis has this stock as a strong buy. I think UAC is one of the few stocks that I have done probably 2-3 videos on in this channel, standalone videos or special edition videos and all that. I'm keeping an eye on this stock, closely keep an eye. For more context, you can check the pre-market episode I did sometime last week, I think, or was it 2 weeks ago, where I discussed, actually it was 2 weeks ago, it wasn't last week, where I discussed this stock in detail. Mid-term target, long-term target for this stock as well. But I won't be surprised to see this stock at 18 naira sometime this week as well. Technical says this stock is a buy. For more content, the website greentickertales.com, Green Ticker Tales podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, YouTube, music. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Have yourselves a profitable trading week ahead. Questions or comments, feel free to drop them in the comment section. Stay safe.